Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to add certification in Fiverr. So we are now currently in the seller's dashboard. And just click on your profile logo on the top right hand corner. And click on profile. After that, you'll be redirected here on your profile. And you'll see this and just scroll down. You'll see all these options, your description, languages, skills, education. And here at the very bottom, you'll see the certification. Just click on add new and put here your certificate or award and where that certificate is certified from and what year you got it. And just after that, just click on add and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.